नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम लोग क्लास 9th के ज्योग्राफी में लेसन नंबर 5 प्रिसिपिटेशन इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल। दोस्तों आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसको क्वेश्चन आंसर बैठ कर सकते हैं। ये है लेसन नंबर 5 प्रिसिपिटेशन, इसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आइडेंटिफाई द प्रिसिपिटेशन टाइप विद द हेल्प ऑफ द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो। फर्स्ट, it is the main source of the water that you use. Sometimes it is torrential and sometimes continuous. Most of the agriculture in India is dependent on it. The answer is rain. Now next. Second, it seems as if water droplets are floating in the atmosphere. In London, one cannot see the sun till the afternoon during winters because of this phenomenon. The answer is fog. Now next. Third, it never precipitates like this in equatorial areas. Precipitation in the solid form sometimes causes damage to the crops. The answer is hailstorms and hail showers. Now next. Fourth, a white cotton-like layer spreads on the Earth's surface. Because of this form of precipitation, the state of Jammu and Kashmir has to change its capital in winters. In Maharashtra, it does not precipitate like this. The answer is snowfall. Now next question. Question number 2. Look at the following pictures and identify the correct rainfall type. And the answer is convectional rainfall. Reason: equatorial regions receives convectional rainfall. Amazon Valley in South America and Congo Valley in Africa are the famous regions of convectional rainfalls. Now next, figure B. The answer is orographic rainfalls. Reason: moist air approaching from water bodies towards land is obstructed to mountain and gives more rainfall on the windward side and top of the mountain. India receives rain from monsoon winds, which is mainly orographic in nature. Now next, figure C, and the answer is cyclonic rain. Reason: temperate region predominantly receives the cyclonic rain. Now next question. Question number 3. Look at the figures above and answer the following questions. First, in figure B, on which side of the mountain is it raining more? The answer is the windward side of the mountain in figure B receives more rainfall. Now next. Second, set the rain shadow region in figure B and name it. The answer is figure B, winds and rain shadow areas. Now next. Third, what is the difference between A and C? The answer is figure A is related to convectional rainfall and equatorial region receives such rain. Figure C is related to cyclonic rainfall and temperate region receives such rain. Now next. Fourth, stormy winds and floods are associated with which rainfall type? The answer is stormy winds and floods are associated with convectional rainfall. Now next. Fifth, what types of rainfall occurs in Singapore? The answer is Singapore is located much closer to the equator. Hence, the rainfall that occurs in Singapore is of convectional type of rain. Now next question. Question number 4. Identify the odd man out. First, orographic rainfall, acid rain, cyclonic rainfall, convectional rainfall. The odd man out is acid rain. Now next. Second, snowfall, rainfall, hailstones, dew. The odd man out is dew. Now next. Third, thermometer, rain gauge, anemometer, measuring jar. The odd man out is measuring jar. Now next question. Question number 5. Answer in brief. First, in what ways does precipitation occur on the earth? The answer is water falling either in solid state or in liquid state from the clouds to the ground. It is called precipitation. Snowfall, rainfall, hailstorms, fog, dew and frost are the various forms of precipitation. Now next. Second, comment on the rainfall occurring in the rain shadow area. The answer is winds in rain shadow region are dry and their moisture holding capacity also increases once they cross the mountain top. Hence, this region gets very less rainfall. In fact, that is the reason the very region is called as rain shadow region. Now next. Third, which type of rainfall occurs in most of the world? Why? The answer is orographic rain is very common in most of the world. About 70% surface of the earth is covered with water bodies and hence the proportion of moist air moving from water bodies to land is common. Mountain ranges and hills are common relief features on the land, and winds carrying such moist air get obstructed to these landforms. Winds then start moving along the slope of mountain, which further leads to condensation and rainfall. Now next, fourth, if condensation occur closer to the Earth's surface, what types of forms become visible? The answer is when the condensation or solidification of water vapor in the atmosphere takes place near the surface, then condensation in form of fog, dew and frost become visible. Now next, fifth, what precautions should be taken while measuring rainfall? The answer is following precautions should be taken while measuring rainfall. First, rain gauge must be kept in open air on a platform of 30 cm in height. Second, nothing shall obstruct the accumulation of rainwater in the rain gauge. Third, in a region of very heavy rainfall, amount of rainfall must be measured every 3 hours. Now next question. Question number 6. Distinguish between first dew and frost. The answer is dew, frost, dew first. Dew is formed due to condensation near Earth. Frost first. If the temperature of the air near the surface falls below freezing point, the frost is formed. Dew second. When air close to surface of the Earth comes in contact with very cold object, small water droplets stick to cold object is called dew. Frost second. When the temperature of air is less than 0 degrees Celsius, water vapor turns into frozen water droplets due to sublimation process and then a frost is formed. Dew third. So dew is formed due to condensation process. Frost third. So the frost is formed due to sublimation process. Now next. Second, snow and hail. The answer is snow, hail. Snow first. Sublimation process leads to snow formation. Hail first. Hails are formed due to concentric layer caused due to vertical upward movement of air. Snow second. Snow is normally found in winters. Hail second. Hails are normally found in summers. Snow third. When water vapors comes in contact with very cold air, snowflakes are formed. Hail third. Very high temperature and upward movements of air leads to solidification of water droplets and hails are formed. Snow fourth. Snow particles are isolated. Hail fourth. Solidification of ice is a hailstones and it concentric layers. Snow fifth. Precipitation in form of solid particles of snow is known as snowfall. Hail fifth. Hailstorms or hail showers occur when big heavy hailstones fall rapidly due to gravity. Snow sixth. Snow is non-transparent, friable and opaque. Hail sixth. Hails are hard and big. Snow seventh. Snowfall is generally beneficial for the region as it is the source of potable water. Heavy snowfall, however, may cause the loss of life and property. Hail seventh. Hailstorms or hail showers are often disastrous. It destroys crops and also causes loss of animals, houses, trees, birds and electric poles. So friends, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 5 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स पे जरूर लिख करके बताइए। इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों।